Hi everyone, I'm Honey Loops and today I will be unboxing the Wink Wink blanket by September. This is my first ever Jungkook blanket set that I've purchased from a fan site and I'm so excited to finally have this. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So the set came in this cloth bag. And then everything is wrapped in plastic. Okay. First, I will start with the extras that came with the blanket. So the first thing I see is this Euphoria Grip Talk, like the things that go on the back of your phone. It's super cute. I love the bubble letters and the font. Adorable. Yep. And then next we have some pin buttons. So the first one matches the Grip Talk. It says Euphoria. And then we have Jungkook. So cute. Alright. Now onto the photo cards. They're really high quality. I like them because they're on glossy paper. Ooh, pretty. So cute. Googie. I love this outfit. And then the backs. Okay, so the backs say Jungkook, and they have these really cute designs and details. So the same. Alright, and now moving on to the actual blanket. The blanket's really big, so it's kind of hard for me to show the whole thing, but I took my phone off my tripod to show you guys at least most of it. I love this blanket because it has two Jungkooks on it, which is unique. I've never seen a blanket like this before, and I absolutely love the Japanese master outfits. Like, this is one of my all-time favorite Jungkook looks, so I'm very excited to have this. And it's just so adorable, like him holding the paper heart. This is my first time ever receiving goods from September, and I'm very impressed with everything. All the goods are such high quality, and the blanket is extremely soft. I recently ordered exhibition goods from her, so I'm excited to receive those in the future as well. I thank September for producing these goods and for supporting Jungkook. I thank my group order manager, Emmy, for ensuring that everything arrives safely and well packaged. And I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!